Hi everyone, I am Mina Abadir, and in this course, we are going to unlock the real power of Dynamo. You will reach the monster. Dynamo is like a monster, he can do anything. And in this course, you will learn how to control this dragon, this monster in your side. If you want to automate or speed your workflow and work like a true BIM expert, you are here in the right place. Let us start transforming your Revit dreams, skills into reality in this course. Without any further ado, I am Mina Abadir and um, I'm working in BIM business since maybe 14 years. I am BSc ACI, MBA, BIM director, and certified instructor from Autodesk and certified professional also. I'm member of so many societies. I'm member of BMI. Certified from Autodesk instructor and certified in building performance analysis and certified also in Revit structure. I have also diploma in quality management, MBA, and sustainability from IBM. This course is for the people who are dealing with Revit mainly. Yani if you don't know how to deal with Revit, it is not a right place for you. But this one who want to look in the window beyond Revit, who want to know how Dynamo can be more creative, how Dynamo can solve the problem which Revit cannot do. In the application, you will understand that Dynamo is the next step of the Revit reality. Um, you need to know the information in the Revit. This is the course outline, introduction, getting started, and understanding data type of the, because this is coding program. So you need to know about coding little bit. Working with number and mathematical operation, generating, managing number sequence, creating, editing in text data, import information from Excel and exporting also, grouping, organizing, sorting the list, managing nested list and complex data, exporting information back. All this is skills to know how to make a real script, creating and placing point in Dynamo, and drawing curves, exploring vector and directions is important, building and editing surface and solid, how to make surface and solid, analyzing and modified geometrically in Revit and Dynamo as well, exporting, linking Dynamo, placing Revit family, and automating adaptive component placement is very important. If you are working in a facade, you can control the facade and make it dynamic facade by playing with the parameter in the Dynamo and implemented in the Revit. Automation and creation views and sheets. I make a video for this one. Practical workflow and Dynamo practice. I will give you some example. I already in my video channel, and I appreciate if you like and subscribe. I have so many videos regarding the how to use the Dynamo and make it an application. In this one, how to make resolve the clash automatically. This one, how to create floor and wall finishing automatically with Dynamo, how to create opening in the wall automatically, just the wall feel that there is a penetration of some element like dark, and so the wall will make opening automatically with Dynamo. how to create steel structure with the connection and everything. Dynamo, and this is the future of the Revit. Yani, like before, when they are starting with Revit, everybody say Revit, we are having AutoCAD, but now everybody say we must learn about Revit. It is the next step of technology, and Dynamo is the next step of the Revit. Who want to be expert, this is the right place. Without any further ado, we will start our course. When you open a new file, empty like this, doesn't matter. And from manage, you will go for Dynamo and click and then open the Dynamo. When you open Dynamo, it will open like this. This is my previous script. You will go for new. In the beginning, we will go for automatic, but when the script is going to be hard script, complex script, you must go for manual because maybe it will crash when you are still working and you did not save your work. And if it is crash, you cannot save. So my advice to you, not now, when you are going in the Revit, so you in the Dynamo and become professional in the Dynamo and scripting, do step by step and save it every 5 or 6 steps. You must save it, not to lose your history. Okay, let's start. There is so many people who explain Dynamo in a very academic way. We will go in a very practical way. So suppose we will go in geometry first, and then we will explain list and curve and geometry in general, 3D. So if you want to make a point, we will talk Dynamo now from geometry point of view only. We will not talk about other, because this is the easy entrance to Dynamo. If I want to put here a point, so I write point. The easy way for getting how to control the point is not to go for like this. Go for the second line. This is talking about reference point. No, we are not dealing with reference point. We are dealing with point. So click on this and then go. You will find everything about point. Add point, creating a point, how to locate point. We will go for the most easy one, creating point by coordinate. Locate it like this. It will give you, this is called nodes. And the default is 0, 0, 0. So if you notice that he create here on 0, 0, 0 a point. If you delete this one, you will not find anything. So we will go again by clicking this one, so it will give you X, Y, Z. If you want to make X for example, any number, so you will write here number, give you number like this. So you put here X5 and then you connect it by wiring like this. So he move it here in X direction 5. Suppose I will go in Z direction like this, I will go in 3. Control C, Control V, you can do like this and then put here 3. And then connect it to Y. So if you notice, it is going little bit higher 3. If I want to go in Z, this is Y direction. If I want to go in Z direction by 10, so Control V, and then write here 10. And then connect it to Z You will notice it is up there. So this is the coordinate of this point. Suppose I want to make another point. So I make Control C, Control V for all this. And then I change, instead of 5, I will make, now he make 2 points because it is the same coordinate. But if I change this to 7, I change this to 4, I change this to 3. So this is the second. So this is the first point. If you notice, it's become little bit blue. Second point, it will become little bit blue. So this is the first point, this is the second point. Suppose I wanted to connect this 2 point with a line. So I will make here line. And search not for the first one. First one will give you the node name. Second one will give you from where you can control this line. So I will click on this one and go for line geometry. This is how to make line by scattered point. This is how to make line by point and the direction. This is how to make line by 2 points, which is in our case. So we click in this, and this is the start point, and this is the end point. So if I connect the first point here and the start point, and I connect the second point here and the end point, so we will create line. Okay, so this is how to make line between 2 points. Suppose I want to make another line from here to here. So I will create another point. Control C, Control V, will give you another point. Change this number, put this 9, put this 2, put this 1. So it will give you like this. You want to create another, take Control C of this one, then Control V, and then put it like this, put it like this. Then this is the second here. It become blue little bit. This is the second line, and this is the third line. So now we learn how it is very easy how to make 3 point. If I want to play with this one, to make this instead of 9, I will make it 19, 18. So it will go like this in X direction. So it is dynamic. Yes, it is dynamic. That's why they call him Dynamo. Suppose I want to make curve for this 3. So I will, before the curve, I wanted to tell you how to control this with easy way. There is something, instead of it changing this every time, it changing this every time, there is something called number slide. So I'll call here slide. This is number slide. This time, no need to go for the origin. Just click on number slide itself. Because I am sure this one, yani, there is some issue in element, you must know it. No need to search from where you bring it and all this stuff. This number slide. This number slide is very nice. If you go here, you will give you limit. Start from 0 to 100 and step point to 1. No, we will put step 1. And make this 50. No need to make it 100 like this. So he will move one by one until he will reach the maximum limit 50. I can make maximum limit 1000. No issue. This one, Control C, Control V, Control V will give you the same, and then connect this here, and connect this here, then connect this here. And no need for this one, you can delete. This is easy. See how it's moved? This is in X direction. Nice, right? And this is in Y direction, is going there. You want to know where it is going? From here, you can unhide the nodes and go for geometry. And here you come back again. So if you go like this, see? And if you go like this, it will go down and go up. You can start also from negative. If you tell him minimum -50, you can start from negative. See, you go down and then 0 and then go up. You can do whatever you want. You can do this, Control C, Control V here, and Control V again here, and then remove this. We'll go to 0. Okay, and then we connect this to this, this to this, this to this. He gave me an error. I notice there is orange color appear here. Yes, because this is the same point. So when he make between the first point and second point, he give you the same location. So the line is not yani same point and between 2 points with the same coordinate. So the line is equal to 0. He feel this and then line by start point and end point failed. Unable to create line point are likely coincide. So if you make any mistake, he will tell you this is one of the best thing in Dynamo. If you make any mistake, he will tell you what is the mistake you did, and probably he will give you the solution by hand. Like unable to create line point are likely coincide. You can stop here, but this is give you for help. This is very easy case, but in the future you will feel this is very important. So if I go back like this, so this one not become yellow because I already moved this one. Just one, just one. X, Y, and here Y and Z like Y and Z, but X it change. So I make line like I can change it like this. I can change it like this, and here. Just moving this one, he will unlock the error here. See? And the 3 points begin again very nicely. Okay, now we make it's good that you can dense everything here because the script when it is going like a monster, you will not, if you are not organized, you will get lost. Anyway, now we got this and we got this. Now we will try to make a curve. How to make a curve? Go here and write curve. NURB curve. NURB curve. And then go for NURB service, NURB. This is NURB curve. This is a NURB curve also. Any one of this will give you the result. Click on NURB curve and then you will have everything in NURB curve. How? By control point, by control point. I will explain this control point later on, later. And by point, so we will take it by point. By point close curve or by point open curve. And you see this 4 points, he will give you open, but this one can give you curve. So we will see by points and open. If you notice here that give you points, not point. Here start point, which mean 1 point, end point, which mean 1 point. Here give you points. So you want this 3 points to enter here. If you put here 1 and then put here 1, it will remove the old one. So it is not a good solution. There is must something connect this 3 into one list and then feed here with this list. So what we gonna do before this step, we will go for lists. Here the first one, you can go from the list and do all this stuff, but it is coming in the first one, list create. This is obviously clear. By the way, you must, the basics, you must know it not to search. Yani I give you how to search, but it is good for you to know this by experience, by good practicing. You will know that there is some creating point, creating curve, creating list. This you will go directly and write. But I'm giving you how to find it, how to get it from here. So, creating list. If you click here, you need 3 items to be connected. This 3 items. So I will connect here, and connect here. By the way, this two, and put it away like this. It will work, yeah. Still working like. And then we connect this 3 here. Okay. And then we connect this list. If you click here, you will find this first point, which 24, 19, 23, 22, 35, 15. If you go here, you will find all this 24, 19, 32, 22, 35, 15. So this is the point, and this is the z direction each one. First one is -2. If you go here, it will find -2. So he put it in a form of a point, x, y, z, and then make it a list. And if you notice that the list start with 0. In Dynamo, it is a coding. It's not never start with 1. It's always the list start with 0. So 0, 1, 2, which means 3 points. You will connect this one here, then he will create the curve. Suppose you want to change the location and change the location here. It will change the line and it will change also the curve as well. So it's all connected together.